Hi guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well and having a lot of fun. Today is a glam day. I don't know, I went for something extra, which I always love, you know that. Anyways guys, today I have cute stuff for you guys. A few of y'all wanted to see skirts and I was like, ठीक है, skirts का करते हैं. So today is going to be all skirts haul. I am not specifically a person who would wear skirts everywhere. I am very picky when it comes to clothes. I usually like very comfortable, baggy clothes. I'm just gonna start and dig right into it. So let's do it. So I got these skirts. These are pretty colorful, थोड़ा different, थोड़ा सा mini भी है, थोड़ा सा average length. सबसे पहले कौन सा दिखाऊं? I'm really excited for this one. This is a Puma skirt. मुझे नहीं पता था कि Puma has skirts, but I just found it and I was like, I love sports kind of vibe. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the most expensive one. इसके बाद सारे कम prices के हैं. This is like a pencil skirt. Let's talk about the pricing first, then I'll show you the close-ups. So the MRP of this one is a 1999, like 2000 rupees, which is expensive, I know, but I got it for 854 rupees. You know, with the discounts and the coupons and everything. You can see here, right here, 32% off if you buy like इतना total cart में अगर डालोगे, then you will get this one for 734. ऐसे discounts हमेशा चलते रहते हैं. So when I got it for 854 rupees, which is expensive. I know, it is expensive. But this is a Puma skirt and I was like, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है the waist is gonna be a bigger on me, तो मुझे थोड़ा सा alter करना पड़ेगा. I could get a smaller size, but जब मैंने लिया था तब इसमें small size available नहीं था. So I got it in size large. So if you see the close-up, this is such a nice sporty kind of material. Overall material है. It has like a very nice texture to it. It's like dot texture hai uska. You can see how pretty that's looking. The waistline is like a stretchy waistline. Side mein you get like white piping, which kind of looks cute, like small detailing, The bad thing about this is there's no shape or anything. It's like straight cut, so that's kind of a disappointment. I wish it was like this. I know this is a large size, but still it looks very straight. So this is the next one. Very cute skirt. This is again a pencil skirt. Not gonna lie, super cute. Kind of gives a very Instagram vibe. I have no idea what that is, but I don't know. Something I would see someone wearing on Instagram. So the MRP of this is 1495 rupees. I got it for 575 rupees, which is still, I would say it's थोड़ा सा expensive, but not very much. So the material of this is a 95% cotton and 5% lycra, and then you have like a button here, and the waistline is pretty. It's not very stretchy or anything. This has like a floral print on it. Kind of looks like a washed out print, where in the picture it looks more vibrant, but that's fine. I don't hate it. The material does not look very thick. I mean, it's not see-through or anything. It's a good material, but it's not very like super thick like a denim skirt. Anyways guys, so this portion of the video is sponsored by Cash Karo. So if you don't already know, Cash Karo is India's biggest cashback app, where you have 1500 plus brands that helps users save over and above all the coupons. So you will get extra cashback when you shop through the app. And they have 1500 plus sites like Ajio, Myntra, Amazon and many more. If you download the app through the link in the description, you will get extra 25 rupees bonus right now instantly. So on Ajio, Cash Karo is offering 10% cashback on every purchase that you make through the app, and I have mentioned all the links in the description for all the products. You can click on those, you will get the extra cashback. And yeah, remember that Cash Karo will take you to the Ajio website, not the apps. If you want the cashback, you have to purchase through the app. So to download the app, just click on the first link in the description, and through that you will get extra 25 rupees bonus. So once you make your account, just tap on your favorite website or search for any website that you want. For example, you want Ajio, just search for Ajio, and then you press on the orange button. You will be redirected to the Ajio website, and now you can just shop normally. How you do it? Add the products to your cart and make your transaction. After you have placed your order, you can go to my earnings section of your Cash Karo account, and you can see how much cashback you earned. The cashback will be pending and it will get confirmed after a few days if you don't cancel or return your order. And once your cashback earnings reach up to 250 rupees, you can transfer all of that to your bank account, or you can convert it into Amazon vouchers. Good to go, right? Let's move on with the haul. So the next product is this. This is such a pretty skirt, like seriously, this made me feel so pretty when I was wearing it. So I really thought that this is like a short plus skirt kind of vibe, like wo hota na, you have shorts and then the wrap side is a skirt. Yeah, so but it's not, it's just a skirt. Okay, so the MRP of this is 1199 rupees, but I got this for 455 rupees, which is... Now, one thing that superly scares me about this is this portion right here. Like, it is a wrap skirt. The wrap thing kind of goes all the way back, and there's like no protection as such. Nothing will happen because the wrap goes like way inside, but I guess it's just me freaking out about it. I don't know. Material again is thin, it's not super thick. There are like 2 buttons on top, very cute, and then a tie thing. The color again is like a very subtle neutral shade of blue. So the next one is this one, a very neutral shade again. This is more like a beige kind of shade. Ta-da! So the MRP of this is 1495 rupees, and I got it for 575 rupees. This is the same brand as the pink skirt brand. This is more like A-line cut skirt. This has like a cute button on the side of the waist, not stretchy as much, thoda sa, very slightly stretchy. Very nice light print. And this has like a shine on it. The material has a shine on it, which is very cute. This is 95% cotton, 5% lycra, so the same material as the pink skirt. Guys, this was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got some inspirations. If you have more requests or any other suggestions, please put it down in the comments. By the way, for the lash lift giveaway winners, I will announce it in my next video, and I will even put it in the comment section of my lash lift video. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram right here, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys next time. Until then, a lot of kisses and love. Bye guys.